is the vowel A. But I do not know the sound of A.
All I know is that A has a short sound and a long sound.
Now, listen to the short sound of A. The short sound of A is the short sound of A is A, like the A in apple. The short sound of A is A, like the A in ant. The short sound of A is A, like the A in cat or the A in bat. The short sound of A is A. A, 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 A.
That was fun!
Yes, and I learned the short sound of A too. The short sound of A is A. Chimpu, do you know any words that have the short sound of A?
Yes, I know one. Fan. The A in fan is the short sound of A.
Arrow, pan, and hat also have the short A sound.
Cap. Cap also has the short sound of A.
Correct! All these objects have the short A sound in them.
The vowel A has a long sound too. But I don't know the long sound of A.
Listen carefully to the long sound of A. The long sound of A is A, like the A in apricot. The long sound of A is A, like the A in angel. The long sound of A is A, like the A in cake or the A in lake. The long sound of A is A. A, 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 A.
That was a fun song. The long sound of A is A. Do you know any words that have the long sound of A?
I know. Gate has the long sound of A. Snake and page also have the long sound of A in them. What about plate? Plate also has the long sound of A in it.
All these words have the long sound of A in them.